Solved problem. Profit and loss account and balance sheet. Problem. Z Limited makes up its accounts to 30th June in each year. The following list of balances was compiled from the company's books on 30th June 2019. Debit, credit. Ordinary share capital, credit 250,000. General reserve, credit 40,000. Profit and loss account as on 30th June 2018, 93,000. Goodwill, debit 50,000. Freehold land and buildings, debit 100,000. Unquoted investments cost 27,500, debit. Quoted investments at cost 12,400, debit. Provision for doubtful debts 2340, credit. Provision for depreciation on motor vehicles 24,250, credit. Motor vehicle at cost 54,000, debit. Stock on hand 30th June 2019, 176,480. Debtors, debit 72,260. Creditors and accruals 56,492, credit. Balance at bank, debit 130,670. Trading profit 153,278, credit. Income from investments quoted 1,200. Income from investments unquoted 2,750. Total debits 623,310. Total credits 623,310. Additional information. 1. Provision for bad and doubtful debts to be maintained at 5% on debtors. 2. Provision for depreciation on motor vehicles 25% on cost. Directors' fees of 2,500 for the chairman and 2,000 for the managing director. Corporation tax based on the profit is estimated at 70,000. The directors recommended payment of ordinary dividend of 20%. Required. Prepare the profit and loss for the year ended 30th June 2019. A balance sheet as at that date. Profit and loss account for the year ended 30th June 2019. Particulars amount. On the credit side, trading profit 150,278. Income from investments quoted 1,200. Income from investments unquoted 2,750. Total income from investments 3,950. Total credits 157,228. On the debit side, provision for depreciation of motor vehicles 13,500. Provision for bad debts 3,613. 72,260 into 5%. Less old provision 2,340. 1,273. Director's fees 2,500. Managing director's fees 2,000. Corporate tax 70,000. Net profit 67,955. Total debits 157,228. Balance sheet as on 30th June 2019. On the asset side, bank 130,670. Debtors 72,260. Less provision 3,613. Net debtors 68,647. Stock on hand 176,480. Goodwill 50,000. Freehold land and buildings 100,000. Unquoted investments 27,500. Quoted investments 12,400. Motor vehicles 54,000. Depreciation up to 2018 24,250. Depreciation for the year 2019 13,500. Net cost of motor vehicles 16,250. Total assets 581,947. On the liability side, creditors 56,492. Director's fees 2,500. Managing director fees 2,000. Corporate tax 70,000. Dividends declared not yet paid 62,500. Ordinary share capital 250,000. General reserve 40,000. Profit and loss account 2018 93,000. Less dividends declared 62,500. Net general reserve 70,500. Net profit 67,955. Total liabilities 581,947. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.